Hello and welcome. This tutorial will walk you through setting up admin-level mailbox forwarding in Office 365. Let's get started. Sign in as a global admin and then navigate to the Office 365 Admin Portal. Click Admin and then click Exchange under Admin Centers. In the Exchange Admin Center, click Recipients and then click Mailboxes. Under Mailboxes, double-click on the user that needs forwarding. In the user window, click Mailbox Features and then scroll all the way down to the Mail Flow section at the bottom. Then click View Details under Delivery Options. In the Delivery Options window, check Enable Forwarding and then click Browse to select the mailbox to forward to. Select the Deliver Message to Both Forwarding Address and Mailbox checkbox if you want both mailboxes to receive the messages. Click OK at the bottom. Finally, click Save in the user window to save the settings. This type of forwarding can only be set by an admin and is not visible to the end users. This concludes the tutorial. Thank you for watching.